most buyers don't even see coming. In this video, I will walk you through a practical step-by-step guide to buying off-plan properties in Brazil, and what you absolutely must check before you send your first deposit. Hi, I'm Camila Saunier, and I help international buyers invest in Brazilian real estate with clarity and confidence, especially when buying off-plan properties before construction is finished. Brazil has huge potential, but the legal and contract processes here work a bit different from what most foreign buyers expect. Why off-plan property is popular? Off-plan means buying a property before it's built, often at a lower price with early buyers' incentives. Many buyers see this attractive pricing and beautiful renderings, but there is a lot happening behind the scenes that you need to understand first. 1. Legal foundations. In Brazil, legitimate off-plan transactions must be backed up by a registered incorporation package. This includes land ownership, approved architectural plans, and a registered Memorial de Incorporação. If this documentation is unclear or incomplete, it's a red flag. 2. Patrimônio de Afetação. Patrimônio de Afetação separates the project's assets from the developer's other businesses, offering an extra layer of buyer's protection. Not all projects use this structure, which makes it an important question to ask. 3. Due diligence. Due diligence includes checking permits, land title, liens, and delivery expectations. Never rely on urgency or marketing pressure before documents are fully reviewed. 4. Contract payments. Understand payment schedules, indexation clauses such as INCC, and delivery tolerance period. Small contract clauses can have a big financial impact later. How funds are handled. Brazil does not use escrow in the same way many countries do. Always understand who receives your funds and ensure transfers are documented and traceable. 6. Delivery reality. Showrooms sell a beautiful lifestyle, but most off-plan units are delivered in a basic condition. Finishing, flooring, furniture, and upgrades are often at buyer's responsibility. Always review the Memorial Descritivo. It's gonna tell you everything that you're gonna receive. Avoid rush decisions. Marketing urgency does not mean opportunity will disappear. If you feel pressured to sign documents before they are reviewed, step back. Buying off-plan in Brazil can be a smart move when done with structure and clarity. If this helped you, like and subscribe, and comment checklist to receive my foreign buyers off-plan checklist. Let's make that plan work. Thank you and see you next time.